Hi everyone, I'm Cindy and I'm here today to show you the accessories that go to the 1992 Barbie Cooking Center, item number 9318. The box shows these as the only accessories. I couldn't find anything that listed all the accessories or actually showed a picture of all the accessories, but according to the box, these are the accessories that go with the set. We've got a tea kettle, all in like a lavender purple. A stock pot with lid. These lids are all removable. Saucepan with lid. It's a smaller saucepan with lid. And this looks like a cake pan to me, but I guess it could be some kind of a Sauté pan or something like that. Here are the utensils that go with it. A fork, spatula, and a spoon. And it also has these white accessories, a white frying pan with removable lid, a tray, and this is the pie. The box shows the pie as being colored, but the pie that actually comes with this is white. It's got like a dish on the bottom. I guess if you could put some of your own ingredients in there if you wanted to do something like that. And then there's a lid that goes on the pie, or the top of the pie. So these are all the pieces that I'm aware of that come with the 1992 Barbie Cooking Center, item number 9318. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you have any of these pieces or if you're aware of any more that may go with this set. I would appreciate that, and I'm sure others would appreciate knowing too. Thank you for coming to my video. See you next time.